Hip hop is a lifestyle, it's a culture, it's a positive outlet, it's a universal language. For the most part, you know, rapping is what I do, but hip hop is how I live.
Hip hop to me is everything, man. It's something I grew up on and we learned to appreciate, to give back to the community now, because you see hip hop's kind of getting away from a lot of the factors that brought it up, but now we're trying to bring it back and rock the street.
The cool thing about this mixer is I can...
Yo, get funky. The Zulu Nation, yo, get funky. Yeah, just hit me. Just get funk and hit me. Just get on down and hit me. That bot just getting so funky now, hit me. Yeah, just hit me. It's time to chase your dreams about the seats. Make your body sway. Socialize. Get down. Let your soul lead the way. Shake it now. Go, ladies. It's a living dream. Love, life, live. Come play the game. Our world is free. Do what you want, but free. We know a place where the nights are hot. It is a house of both females and males. Both dirty old. For the disco, the DJ plays your favorite blast. Takes it back to the past. Music's magic. Woof. Hump, bump, bump. Get bump with some blast. People. The soul sonic force. The big power. And MC Glow, we emphasize the show. We got ego. Make this your night. Just live it right. In my day, as the people say, live it up. Shut. So work or play. Our world is free. Be what you be. Me. Yo.
I'm leaving the mic up. Whoever wants to spit first.
Man, we expected about 300 to 400. Last year we had about 400 come through, so we were looking at around the same number of folks. One thing that we did that was brand new was that we hosted an educators conference. So we brought in educators, about 60 to 70 educators from the Bay Area. They participated in some workshops surrounding hip-hop pedagogy, so how to teach hip-hop in the classrooms. So that was something brand new that we did. So while the youth workshops were going on the other side, we had the educators workshops in Building 8. So that, I mean, you look around you, man, it's crazy, it's bananas.
Speaking of roots, I got 'em like pasta new. Sorry, I'm just the best of roots, homie, Questlove. Sorry, let me track off. Back to my black thugs. Before the sword replaced the pen, before the boys replaced the men, we had queens and sacred men. Had it all, had it all. Had power than my people, we didn't fall, but we was pushed. Once they noticed we was golden, that's when everything was stolen. Some villages even sold them. Imagine, take a moment where my whole entire culture was forced to cross the ocean, beaten, raped into submission, lynched and forced into division of agenda, age, and pigment. But and close your books, that's all we get to read. They only teaching us Rosa and Dr. King.
One of the greatest things about putting on an event like this is that you really bring out a lot of organizations and local businesses who want to be a part of Rock the School Bells, because Rock the School Bells is really for the community. It's for the youth, for the students, and it's all about education. And so when you have education, you can't really go wrong, man, because it's positive. Yeah. And so we found that every year since we did Rock the School Bells back in 2007, we've partnered up with so many organizations, so many businesses. In fact, my pocket's filled with business cards, you know what I mean? Like, yo, can we take this on tour? Can we do like a Rock the School Bells college tour? Can you take this to Oakland? Just in October, we just did Rock the School Bells Sacramento. So we brought Rock the School Bells over there. So we're expanding to the point where I think we're creating a model. where we can integrate hip-hop in higher education, because that's really what it's really all about. I mean, when you see all these middle school kids and these high school kids, they're looking at it and it's like, dang, you know what? I could be at college. I could be a part of this and receive higher education. And so we're just really inspiring and empowering the youth to be part of something greater and bigger, you know, so it's amazing.